Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all for our 5-day ATEL sponsored online FDP on data sciences. On behalf of our TB department, I welcome you all. Let us start our program by prayer song.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென நிகழ்வரத கண்டமிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழடங்கே தமிழடங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
On behalf of our TEE department, I would like to welcome you all. I welcome our beloved principal, Dr. R. Murugesan, and also today's guest, Dr. Pooja Jain, Professor CSE, Civil IT Nagpur, and today's special guest, Mr. Khalil Muhammad Basha, Technology Lead, IT Finance and Treasury, Infosys Limited, France. I also welcome IRT Director and department heads of our college and also faculty members of our college and participants of various colleges from all over India for this ATEL online FTP on data sciences. I hope you will be enjoying the next 5 days data science FDP. Once again, I welcome you all. Thanking you. Now, I request our beloved principal, Dr. Murugesan sir, to give special address.
Good morning to one and all. Good morning to every one of you. On behalf of Institute of Road and Transport Technology, I joined with the coordinator, Dr. Murugan. Yes, the video. On behalf of Institute of Road and Transport Technology, along with Dr. Murugan, the faculty coordinator of FDP on data sciences, sponsored by ATEL Academic. I welcome the resource persons, chief guest, special guest, and the participants. Initially, I welcome the chief guest, Dr. Pooja Jain, Professor Computer Science Department, IIIT Nagpur, and I welcome the special guest, Mr. Khalil Muhammad Basha, Technology Lead, IT Finance and Treasury, Infosys Limited, France, and I welcome the other resource persons from IITs, NIT, industries, and government organizations. And finally, I welcome the participants for the FDP on data science. Actually, nowadays the data science is the emerging field. All of you may be knowing that the courses are being offered at IIT Chennai as BSc Data Science, and we got courses in at MSc level, also at postgraduate diploma level. And the areas like machine learning, big data analytics, artificial intelligence, deep learning are the order of the day. If you look at the future of data science, for 4 years in a row, data scientist has been named the #1 job in the US by Glassdoor. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the demand for data science skills will drive 28% rise in employment in the field through 2026. Big data engineers, machine learning engineers, and data scientists are the top 3 emerging jobs on LinkedIn. Ever since 2012, the job positions for data scientists have increased by over 650%, thereby making data science one of the hottest professional field at present. It is no surprise that professionals from various career streams are upskilling or have to upskill their knowledge base to make the transition into the emerging field of data science. Use of data analytics in almost every industry has contributed to a sharp increase of 48% in the total jobs related to data science last year. So it is the right time to explore about data science in deep. I congratulate Dr. Murugan, the HOD of Electrical Engineering, Dr. Hussaini Madam, and their team for having applied this course under FDP scheme and got the grant from AICTE. And I wish you all the best for the successful organization of the FDP on data science. Thank you, Anurag.
Hello. Now I request Dr. Pooja Jain Madam to give the chief guest of today's function. Dr. Pooja Jain will address.
Welcome, madam. Good morning,
Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam. Good morning, madam.
For people with the interact with the participants in such pandemic times. I'm the AICTE Adult Academy for giving us this. Charles academic and plus non-academics for developing their academic skills and research and development skills in such tough times as well. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
Welcome.
சைடில் கொஞ்சம்
For giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you, children, sir. Thank you, children, sir. Thank you, children, sir.
Thank you, madam. Yeah, I think there is a lag. You continue. Okay.
I just wanted to thank you and your team for giving me this opportunity, and I'm really thankful to the other team, the entire team of Research Professor and the entire academy for giving this all the institutes to learn, research, and develop their skills in such long terms. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
நாளை அனுப்பிச்சு நீ தேங்க் பண்ணி
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Now I welcome Mr. Galil Basha, technical lead Infosys. He will give the special address on data sciences. Thank you, madam.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Galil
Galil Prabhu Basha.
நல்லா பண்ணு சார் கேட்டு சார் நல்லா இருந்தப்படி கேட்டு சார் அப்பா அப்பா கேட்டு அம்மா கிடையாது தங்கச்சி மட்டும் சார் கொடுத்துருவாங்க வந்திருக்காங்க சார் ஒரு 10 பேருக்கு மேலே வந்துருக்காங்க சார் 10 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க சார்
Galil, join பண்ணு Galil. மீட்டிங் ஸ்கூல்ல இருந்து 100 participants மேல ட்ரை பண்ண நேரம்
நான் வெளியே வந்துருமா
வெளியே அப்படியா இல்லை நீங்கள் வெளியே வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணு நீ பிரசன்ட் யூடியூப்ல சரி I welcome Mr. Galil to this 5-day online FDP. He is our prestigious alumnus for our college, and he belongs to our TB department. A nice person, and he was the placement coordinator for our department and the entire college. Now he is working in France. I hand over the session to Mr. Galil.
Members of the academia who have joined here from different parts of the states and probably from the different parts of the nation to inaugurate this conference organized by the Department of Products Security of ILPT. Honestly, looking at the different participants of the agenda, including our chief guest, Dr. Pujal Jain, and from IIT Nagpur, and also the different participants in the conference for good data mining system, a good data management system, and good data storage system. So, playing around with big data is not that simple. As you might already know, it requires special skill sets and special tools, even from the computers to the so having said this, the growth of itself has unveiled an expansion in use of digital devices all across the devices ranging from enterprise data servers, from public data servers, from transactional data servers, to the level of Internet of Things that are sitting on your wrists or that are sitting on your hands or on your palms as a this has to be seen as only a data capture device, which has been signaling data all through to one cloud server or to multiple data centers across the world. And it is not only that it's growing among the evolution of these devices as such, and each unique device presents itself and contributes itself to the growth of data and in turn
இன்னும் இருக்கலாம் 2010 பாஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் 2010
காலேஜ்
சார் ஒரு 3 பர்சன்ட் கேம்பஸில் இன்க்ரீஸ் சார் அம்மா கிடையாது சார் நைன்டீன் சார் 98 உள்ள வந்துட்டு சார் தேங்க்யூ சார் தேங்க்ஸ்
வந்து சார்
போட்டு அவருக்கு நான் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிட்டேன் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் போட்டேன்
சார் ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் சார் 11:30 தான் 11 மணிக்கு நீங்கள் சொல்லிடுங்க அடுத்த விஷயம் 11:30 தான்
சரி
11 to 11:30 பிரேக்கிங் சார் நம்ம கொஞ்சம் அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே முடிச்சிருங்க வேலையை முடிச்சா முடிஞ்சிடும் நேஷனல் அந்த பண்ணோடனே சொல்லிடுறோம் சார் டீ பிரேக் அப்புறம் நீங்கள் லைனை மாற்றிக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா அப்புறம் நம்ம ஆரம்பிச்சிக்கலாம் டீ பிரேக் அவ்வளோதான் சும்மா பிரேக் அப்புறம் நம்ம டீ சாப்பிடலாம் வடை சாப்பிடலாம் என்ன
அவருக்கெல்லாம் அட்லீஸ்ட்
டீ குடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிக்கலாம் சந்தோஷம் ஓகேண்ணா அதான் ஐடி டிசிப்ளினா ரொம்ப மாதிரி வர முடியாது இன்னைக்கு நான் ப்ரௌச்சரோடைய கண்டெக்ட் ஐஆர்டிக்கு ப்ளேஸ்மெண்ட் ப்ரௌச்சர் வந்து ரெடி பண்ணி பையன் ட்ராஃப்ட் பண்ண வச்சுட்டு வீட்டு சார் அசந்த வீட்டு சார் சொன்னாங்க அட்டகாசமாக ட்ராஃப்ட் பண்ணி அங்கேயே போய் இந்த லிங்க்ல போய் தான் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணேன் சார் கேட்டாங்க லாஸ்ட் அட்டன் போர்ட்டலில் போய் உங்களுக்கு ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுங்க. அதில் போய் ஜாயின்
Thank you, Khalil. Thank you.
என்ன பண்ணுங்க சார்?
What's the lot of things more we have vessel. No?
ஆன் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Thank you, Khalil. Thank you very much. I'm very happy to see you in this online FDP. Thanks for accepting our invitation, and you have given a nice speech. And also I thank Dr. Pooja Jain, Madam Professor CSE and IIT Nagpur. Now I'm going to give you an overview of the FDP. I have great pleasure to give you an overview of this ATEL-sponsored FDP on data science. Data science is an interdisciplinary field. It deals with processes and systems that are used to extract knowledge or insights from large amounts of data. Data extracted can be either structured or unstructured. It is a continuation of data analysis like data mining, statistics, predictive analysis, and so on. A vast field, data science uses a lot of theories and techniques that are a part of other fields like information science, mathematics, statistics, and computer science. Some of the methods used in data science include probability models, machine learning, signal processing, data mining, statistical learning, database, data engineering, visualization, pattern recognition, and learning, uncertainty modeling, computer programming, among others. With advancements of so much of data, many aspects of data science are gaining immense importance nowadays. This FDP was aimed with an objective to introduce data science concepts to faculty members, to impart the fruitful deliberations on data challenges in the field of data science will be addressed both theoretically and practically, to acquire skills to develop applications, projects with hands-on sessions on the latest data science tools. These sessions were well planned for both theory and hands-on sessions by eminent resource persons. I hope this session will be very useful and informative for you. Once again, I welcome you all. Now, I thank the ATEL Academy, especially Dr. Ravindra Soni sir and IRT director and our principal and our HOD, Dr. Mohammad Hussaini, for giving me permission to apply for this data science course, FDP course, and I got the permission. And the experts, the speakers were from, many speakers were from NITs and IITs, and they are working on data science. They are going for some research on data science, and they will be dealing with theory as well as in the afternoon session they will be dealing with the practical hands-on sessions. I request all the faculty friends to utilize this online FDP, and you enrich some knowledge, you practice, you inculcate the habit of developing tools, and you transform the knowledge to the students community so that the students will be benefited. So I hope you'll be enjoying the next 5 days online FDP conducted by IRT, and happy learning. I wish you all success. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you. So, next one is prayer. Prayer is very, very important. And so, I pray Lord Krishna to be with us in every success, and you will be guiding me to get success on this FTP. In this occasion, I want to pray a song. Sarvadharman Paritashya Mam Yegam Saranam Vacha. The meaning is I am totally surrendered to Lord Krishna. Now the program is going to end. That is, we are going to pray for the Neshwan.
Super.
What is it?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Now, after the break, the session starts as per our plan, and I request all the participants to maintain the attendance. You all know the rules that you have to attain 80% attendance and also get the minimum requirement of marks in the test conducted by our team on the last day of the FDP. So once again I repeat the same. Attendance is mandatory. We are having per day, we are having 3 sessions. You will be putting the Google form for our attendance, and the Google Meet is allowing 100 participants. The remaining participants, they can view in in YouTube Live. We have given the live link. So if there is any technical issue, you can contact me through the WhatsApp or in our group. We are ready to help for you. And on the particular session, you have to give your attendance through the Google form. Don't say the lame excuses that we missed. I can't get the link, the form is not working. So many things they are presenting. So I hope there may be some technical glitch. But apart from that, if you are ready to give the feedback, the Google form, it will be very useful for us to update your attendance. And attendance is mandatory. And I said the same. So I hope you will be understanding the things what I am explaining you. So after the break, you take the break and you join through that Google Meet. Every day we plan in the same link. No, there is no issue in that. Suppose if it is exceeding 100, nothing is problem. So you go for a live link, and in that you mention the thing that I have joined in Google Live, YouTube Live, and you mention the participant ID, because in the Google form I have created. First of all, you have to give the ID, participant ID, and then your email and your name, as well as for which session you are going to put the attendance. Session 1, session 2, likewise it will be going up to the 14th session or 15th session, and we will consolidate it and we will be putting the attendance in the ATEL website, and wherein you are going to put the feedback about the course. Then only I will upload the marks after the test, and after that you will be getting the certificate, because the certificate is generated by the ATEL, that is AICT. You have to write the test, it is mandatory, and also as well as attendance is also mandatory, and you put the attendance and you view and you enjoy the sessions. I hope you will be getting all the details. There is no doubt in that. So please note that participant ID. Some people are there, because all the things I have given in the WhatsApp group. Every person is having their link. Every person is having the participant ID. You put that IRTT 001. Up to that, I think 190 members have registered for our course. So only 100 people I can see in the Google Meet. Remaining people have to see their sessions through YouTube Live. That is the condition. So I hope you can get all the things. Nothing is